have given some food.
What's that, Ashrith?
I have given some food and a knife.
Egg, fish, and a corn. Let's open this vegetables, Ashrith. First, open this vegetable.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. So fun.
What's that?
It's a kiwi.
It's kiwi fruit.
Yeah, and a tomato. This is egg. Wow. I got egg. This is egg.
There's your egg.
It's fun.
What's that?
I did a
Corn.
corn.
The baby
The
corn.
baby corn. I did corn.
So they're giving some baby corn. Okay.
Give some rice.
Then there's some. What's that?
Something like a vegetable.
What vegetable is that?
I don't know.
I think.
And
So I think this is lactose.
yeah,
That's a lactose, Ashrith.
too spicy. And then fish.
Hey, Ashman.
And I'm making fish fry.
Okay. So they have given some fish.
Yeah. Then I'll give some crab fry. Well, crab fry, I'm not eating.
What's that?
Crab fry.
Oh, that's a crab. Shrimp. Wow, that's a big shrimp.
Yummy.
Having shrimp. Okay.
Yeah. And an apple to eat.
Ashman,
Fruits and vegetables are very good for you.
oh, fruits and vegetables are good for us? What's that?
Apple.
Apple.
Eating the apple.
Oh, if you...
I'll give it some tomatoes.
Oh, Ashman, what's that?
Tomato.
It's a tomato.
You gotta eat the tomato.
Okay, and what else do you have? It's a brinjal.
Yeah.
Eggplant, right?
Yeah, eggplant. Yes.
Good. Yeah. So, what and all are vegetables in this?
This one is healthy.
Tomato, eggplant, the lactose, and the corn are vegetables. And these and all are fruits. Kiwi and apple are fruits. Egg, fish, and the shrimp. And this comes out of vegetables. So this is the high protein foods. Okay?
This is bad food.
No, that's good. Egg is very good in protein. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So they have, what's that?
Close.
Just open it. Just open the cloth. What is that?
It's a whistle.
Okay.
Open it.
They have given a cooker.
Cooker.
A pressure cooker.
I'm gonna open it.
I want to open it.
Yeah.
Wow. Just open it, Ashrith. So that's a pressure cooker.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it. I know how to.
You should turn like this, I think, to open it. Yep, 1 minute. Yep, see, it's coming.
Whoa, what this one is doing here?
What's that? That's a whistle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a whistle for your pressure cooker.
Yeah.
So this is your whistle.
Hold it.
Yep.
Move it.
Yeah. So
That's the food. Let's wait.
I think so. They have given a pressure cooker. And what else you have? Oh, that's a teapot. Good.
Can I open it?
Yes, you you can open it. What's that, Ashrith? Cooker. So that's a teapot? Yeah, so you should open this, Ashrith. Yep, just pull this. Yep, see? So if you open it, and you should actually pour some water here in the top.
How?
Yeah, wait. You should open this top and pour the water here, and you should close it. See, from here you'll get the water and you can pour the water. Okay, then what else you have? It's a cooker. They have given a pan. Yes, sure, you can open it. Yeah. You want me? Yep, that's done. Very good. So they have given a pot. Yeah, and they have given the cutter. Yep, to cut the fruits and the vegetables. And what else you have? A pan. Good. Oh, wow, they have given a lot of stuff, right? Yeah. You like this kitchen toy? Yeah, where we bought this kitchen toy?
Amazon?
Yes. So we have option. It's just $25. Yeah. So wow. Yeah, it's worth for the money, you know. They have given lots of things.
I'm gonna fry something.
Oh wow, you're going to fry. Yeah, so they have given a pan. Wow.
A fry fish.
You're going to fry fish? Wow, wow. Then what else you have? What's that?
I need to boil something. Okay.
Wow, it's the lights are coming, right?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wow. Soup? Wow, that's good, right? So, yeah, they are preparing fish fries, rice, water. Yeah. Then what else you have?
Yummy. Yummy.
Wow, they have given some spoons. You want to open it? Yeah. Okay. Let me help for you. Give it. You're far away.
Yeah, open. You can open it.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, they have given lots of spoons.
Wow.
Yeah, they have given 2 knives for you, Ashrith. A big knife and a small knife like this. Yeah, and you do have a cutter, a pizza cutter, and they have given some forks, spoons, some soup spoons. Wow, that's good. Then what else you have? So you should place your vegetables here and cut that. You should, yeah, place your vegetables in the cutter and cut it.
Cut it.
You're going to cut your corn. Wow.
Put it. I have cut already.
Okay. Then what else you have in your box?
Last thing, this.
Wow, what's this, Ashrith?
And that's it.
And that's it?
Yeah, and stickers.
Oh, they have given some stickers. Happy.
And this more stickers.
They have given some more stickers. Okay, do you want to open this? Yeah, just open it.
I don't need to do this. I really am going to do this.
What are you doing? Are you cooking, Ashrith?
I'm cooking too. That's my knife.
it.
Yes.
Yes. So,
Dada.
oh, this is a chicken wings. And this is a hot dog. And some corns. Wow. So this is your grill set. Like this. From here. Wow, that's good.
This is a good set.
Oh, they have given a grill set.
I have something.
Okay. So
I'm making something.
so you can, I think they have given some, like you can insert this here in this. Just insert it like this image. Just follow this image. Just insert it. Yep, here is this. Just insert it. You should cook first before eating, you know?
Wow, I got so much of them.
Okay, okay, what else you have placed in your grill? What else you have placed in your grill, Ashrith?
I have played this and this
Okay,
and baby ball.
okay. And you have placed a chicken?
Chicken wings.
Wow, chicken wings!
Oh,
Wow,
wow.
that looks yummy, Ashrith. Then what else you have in your kitchen?
And that's it.
That's it. Okay, we are done with the toy. What else they are given?
I'm cold.
Okay, they have empty. You are done with your kitchen set? Okay. Okay, just arrange your things, everything.
These are we have the kitchen set.
Wow, you have these many things in your kitchen set?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I
good.
want to
Cool.
play.
So actually, this is a milk can and this is a ketchup. Yeah, delicious ketchup. They do give some stickers for that. Wow, it's pretty, Ashrith. Your kitchen set looks lovely.
Yes.
So, are you happy with your kitchen set?
Yeah, so much happy.
Okay.
And that's my mom. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. So, what are you going to prepare for mommy?
Egg.
So you're going to prepare egg omelette for me? Okay, just prepare it.
Okay. I'm gonna make it.
Okay.
I need a flipping pan.
Ashrith is making some soup. Okay.
Wait 1 second. Be ready in 500 minutes.
500 minutes? Does it take 100 minutes?
Chill.
No, that's 200 centigrade. The temperature actually is
500 minutes.
500 minutes for a single egg.
And I'm gonna make some water.
Okay. That's a kettle. So you're going to give me some water? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you're cooking fish. You're cooking fish in a cooker. vegetables. Good.
Yeah, chocolate milk.
Oh, it's a chocolate milk.
Don't drink it out.
Okay, I'm not going to drink it.
No.
My egg is ready?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, he has given me egg in a hot pan.